Hi everyone, this is Keon from BrandsMart USA. Today I'll be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These earbuds take sound quality to another level. Let's check them out. The premium sound by AKG features delivers a superb dynamic range and exceptional sound accuracy thanks to the woofer and tweeter inside each tiny buds. You'll feel the thundering bass and hear the nuanced studio quality sound no matter what you're listening to. Thanks to IPX2 splash resistant technology, these earbuds can handle a little drizzle, a little sweat, even accidental spillage. The Ambient Aware feature isolates you from distracting noises so you can stay focused on what you want. If you like to filter in some of the outside world to be more in tune with your surroundings, you can switch on Ambient Aware. The Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus is compatible with Android and iOS. You can pair with smart devices via Bluetooth. Use the Galaxy Wearable app on Android and Galaxy Buds Plus app on iOS to make the most of your earbuds. Not only do the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus give you 11 hours of non-stop music, pop them into the case when they go dead, give you 11 hours more. The wireless power share feature won't interrupt your flow. You can charge the Galaxy Buds Plus on the go with your phone using wireless power share. Place your buds on the back of your Note 10 or other compatible Samsung devices for a quick charge by sharing your phone's battery. There you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, available here at BrandsMart USA.